Persona, and I am back with a really cool thing. GG Beauties. So I'm just gonna jump right into it because I'm super duper excited. So I just got a PR package from Gamer Glam. And I'm super excited because this is my very first like PR package thing, and I'm super excited to work with a company, and this is really cool and really awesome. So I thought I'd do an unboxing of it on camera and then maybe come up with a look later because I have to see what they got, and then after that I will totally come up with a look and it'll be so much fun. So anyway, yeah, let's check it out. There's a bunch of nice little goodies and stuff in here, and there is a business card, and there is a note to me and stickers. This is so cool, and I'm so excited. Don't forget to tag us, and thank you for your support. Okay, so let's read this first. So I have a little note to me that came with sterile alcohol packages. Alright. Hey Midnight Persona, you are beautiful. Let me start with that. When I observe your interactions with our community and the content you put out, you intrude this confidence that is admirable. You take chances on showing how beautiful and creative different is. I'm honored to have you aboard to create content that represents diversity. You rock. I got that little note, and I'm so excited to do stuff with this. But yeah, sorry, I'm super hyper because this is really cool. So yeah, yes. So this is one of the characters, a part of the company, named Rain. Rain dislikes string cheese, and I don't know if I'm okay with that. So I guess this package is called Space Legend Level 1. As a superhero, our diligent efforts to overcome impossible assignments can award our supernatural abilities to fight crime. What about adding magic to our palettes? The Space Legend palette contoured flawlessly to our palms with our palette's innovative power, the color eraser. Imagine going from a dark enriched pigment color to a blendable light shade with little to no transfers. All you must do is a few circular strokes, with your brush and viola. The color is gone. Our color eraser is safe for the skin and can easily be replaced with a new one. Are you ready for level 2? There's about us. Gamer Glam Cosmetics was created by gamers to acknowledge immensely colorful, diverse personalities in the gaming and cosplay cultures. Our makeup collection was formulated to cater to the classic and modern gamer enthusiast with artistic memorabilia. Long-lasting, sweat-proof, and easy to apply, our cosmetics support all-day wear so that you can feel comfortable attending conferences, recording videos to stream, or engaging in live-action RPG. So the one thing I'm really excited about with this is I'll probably be wearing most of this on stream from now on Fridays, because I wanted to start wearing more makeup for stream just to kind of look a little pretty up, and I've been so lazy about it because I've just been tired. So now with this, I'll be using a lot more of this for stream. So yeah. So all of this, I'm so excited to open and look at all of this. I will take everything out one by one and look at it through the camera, and then we'll come up with a look later. Let's take out the big boy palette first. So here we have a pressed eyeshadow and color eraser, which is level 1 Space Legend. Let's open this bad boy up. The best part about this package is that it is all space themed, and I am Midnight Persona, and my whole like theme and tones and everything is galaxy and everything like that, and it makes me really happy. Look how pretty that is. I really love their setup and how it is a gaming controller, and this is really cute and really pretty, and I really love that so much. So I'm assuming with the color eraser, you just kind of swipe your brush on it, and it gets rid of all the excess eyeshadow I like that it's in the middle, almost like a speaker, like the middle of the PlayStation 4. So this is really cute and this is really pretty. And they're all galaxy colored and themed, and that's like the best thing ever for me. So we have Kazar, Destiny, Utopia, Portal, Supersonic Blast, Nebula, Invasion, Mythic, Anti-Gravity, and Aurora. So there's that. That's really, really pretty. The next thing we have is Neon Lighting Loose Eyeshadow. So we have like an orange neon eyeshadow, which I am all for. I've always wanted to play in neons, but I haven't really had the chance. And with this one being orange, I'll get to play with a little bit for Spooktober. So here's the orange. That is such a bright orange pigment. I wonder if this works super well in black light. I was afraid that I might have dropped something on my shirt, I'm not gonna lie. I had to check for a second. The next thing is another neon eyeshadow, but this one's in pink. Here's a lovely, lovely pink neon eyeshadow. Next in the package of goodies, we have this Rustic Charm Loose Eyeshadow. I haven't played a lot with the loose eyeshadows, so I'm really excited to play with these. Wow, this looks metallic almost. This is gonna be fun to play with. It looks almost very metallic shiny, and I really like the way that looks. I feel like I need to come up with some kind of like robo android-esque look. I really like this. Then we have a ultra glossy lip gloss. Ultra glossy. I can't get over also how pretty and cute all the packaging is. Like, oh my goodness. This stuff is really cute. I love this so much. Oh, these are really, really cute and really, really wonderful. And I haven't swatched any of them. I will post a link in the description to their website and where you can look at all this stuff and you can see the swatches and everything. And I'm so excited. Okay, so, woo! My favorite part. Okay, so it came with lashes, which so a long time ago, I hated lashes. Like, I despise lashes. And now they're like some of my favorite part of doing makeup is putting on lashes. And I think it's because my eyes are so like thin. And I think it comes with the whole like, it's really hard to see my eyes. So once I put on lashes, it's like bam, and my eyes are bright and wide and you can see everything. And these are really cute. And the packaging is super cute. Look at this. Look at that. So I am super excited to try these on. They're so wispy. They're so wispy. They're so cute. So I'm super excited to try these on too. These are wonderful. So this video is definitely probably going to be in two parts because I have to come up with a look. All this stuff came flying out and I'm like, I don't know what to do because it's all so cute. And then brushes, which are really pretty, crystally. Look at these. Look at these. They're like crystals. They're like really pretty crystal brushes. These are really gorgeous, and now I have to use these for my makeup. 100%, these are gorgeous. I'll take them out of the packaging later. I'm sure you don't want to see me individually take each one out. This holds all my brushes. This lovely diamond. Yeah, look at that. This is my this is for my brushes. This is for my brushes. This is pretty. This is gorgeous. We have a makeup brush cleaner. So be helpful for when I do all my fancy looks. Put all this makeup on. I've also been dying to do a galaxy look, so this is right up my alley of doing something galaxy related, and I'm so excited. More lashes! More pretty lashes. These ones are a little smaller than the other ones, but I love smaller lashes too. These ones are more like spread, like cascading kind of thing, and I really love that. Those are my favorite types. So I'm excited to use these too. These packaging is still so pretty, so gorgeous, so glittery, And the glitter's not like flying all over the place, which makes me really happy because I love glitter, but not anywhere it's not supposed to be. Let's put it that way. Oh, it's an extra little eraser for my makeup. This is more of a red one. The other one's more of a copper. This is more of a bronze red. I really like that too. All right, I have to try something. I like it. Ooh, wow, that is like really pigmented just by one swipe. I like that. I like that a lot. All right. And the best part, well, not the best part, the makeup's all the best part, but I now have a shirt. It says Glam Cosmetics. I have my own shirt that goes around with it, so I'm super hype about this. Let me just try this on right now. I'm so excited to be joining this team and to be a part of it. This is really, really exciting for me and really, really fun. So I'm really, really happy to be doing this. I am gonna come up with some kind of fun spacey galaxy look, and I'm gonna try that and I'm come up with some ideas, and then I'm gonna come back and use all of this stuff. And don't worry, there will be multiple videos on this, including some October stuff, hopefully. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like the video. If you like me, subscribe. I will have links down below in the description about all the makeup and like my ambassador stuff or my PR stuff and all the things. And thank you again so much to Gamer Glam, and thank you to everybody there who has been so nice on the Discord and just talking and being so kind, and I really appreciate this opportunity. And I know I'm saying a lot and I'm talking too much, but thank you so much for all of the stuff that's going on, and I really appreciate it. So hope to see you guys in the next video, where I'll definitely come up with at least 3 looks to do with this makeup. I like to stare my makeup down for a while and try to come up with something. So this is part 1 of this lovely little video, and then I will come up with a really lovely look in the next part. But I hope to see you guys in the next video. So remember, you are loved, you are wonderful, you are amazing in every way, shape, and form. And I hope to see you guys later. Bye!